Pattern. The ruby-crowned tanager, Tachyphonus coronatus, is a small, brightly colored bird native to Central and South America. Here are some key details about it. Description. Size. About 18 centimeters, 7 inches, long. Plumage. The male is most notable for its striking ruby red crown, which is often hidden but can be seen when the bird is agitated or excited. Its body is predominantly black with hints of bright red, particularly on the wings and underparts. Females, they are generally more subdued in color, with a duller plumage. And their crown is not as vivid as the males. Habitat. The ruby-crowned tanager inhabits the lowland forests of Central and South America, specifically in countries like Costa Rica, Panama, and parts of Colombia and Ecuador. They are typically found in tropical rainforests and can be seen in mid to upper forest levels. Behavior. These birds are social and are often found in small flocks, especially during the non-breeding season. They are known to be active and energetic, hopping between tree branches and foraging for food. Diet. Their diet mainly consists of fruits, especially berries, along with insects and small arthropods. They are often seen feeding in fruiting trees or flowering plants where they pick off insects. Conservation. The ruby-crowned tanager is generally not considered endangered, though habitat loss and deforestation could pose future threats. However, it is still found in relatively stable populations in its range. Interesting fact, despite its striking red crown, the ruby-crowned tanager is part of the tanagers family, Thrapodidae, which includes many other colorful species. Sure, here's more detailed information about the ruby-crowned tanager. Tachyphonus coronatus. Physical description. Males. The male ruby-crowned tanager is known for its brilliant ruby red crown, which is usually concealed under feathers but flares up when the bird is excited or agitated. The body is mostly black with deep red or orange tinges, especially on the wings and underparts. They also have a blackish tail with some red on the sides. Females. The female is much more subdued in color, generally being a duller shade of olive green or brown. Her crown is not red and can be entirely dark, making it harder to distinguish her from males when the crown is hidden. Behavior and social structure. Flock behavior. Ruby-crowned tanagers are social birds, often forming small to medium-sized flocks outside of the breeding season. They are not particularly aggressive but may be territorial during breeding times. Activity. They are very active, constantly moving around the forest in search of food. They typically hop and fly from tree to tree, sometimes making short flights while foraging. Communication. These birds have a variety of calls that range from soft chirps to more pronounced whistles, often used for communication within flocks. Breeding and nesting. Breeding season. The ruby-crowned tanager's breeding season coincides with the rainy season in its range, which can vary depending on the region. This is when males often display their red crowns to attract females. Nesting. They build open cup-shaped nests in trees, often near the tops of shrubs or in the lower canopy. The nest is usually constructed from twigs, grasses, and plants.